Um, how much?
What do you want to play? Sit down. Let's play.
Have a
Okay.
seat.
You ready?
Uh,
Let's do it.
okay.
I'm gonna stop the clock and let you lose right away.
What?
You should forfeit.
All right. So we're in Union Square Park, and I'm about to go undercover against street hustlers. This is interesting. How much?
You ready?
Uh,
Do it. I
Thank
can't
you.
really set the clock, so we just play.
okay. But I have more time than
It don't
you.
matter.
Okay.
We just playing chess.
Okay.
I hope you have more time than me. I'm older than you.
You are?
Yeah, I got more time than you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
What's your name?
Hope, what's your name?
Huh?
Hope, what's your name?
Hope. My name is
Pleased to meet you.
You gotta think about it. That's wonderful.
my name is Olga.
Nice name.
Yeah. Thank
German,
you.
right?
Russian.
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 You should be a producer of movies. Oh, really? Yeah, I've been guessing you on the point. You should learn this one day. You played before? Oh, okay, I got you. You're not drinking that water, right?
No.
Good.
Is it? Should I not?
Welcome to America. Do as you like.
Oh. Is it a good country?
You know, it's the only country I know, honey.
Ah.
First time here.
Yeah.
I don't know any other countries. I mean, I know some other countries. but
Yeah.
I never been to them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But do you like America?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
It's falling apart, though.
Huh?
It's falling apart.
It's falling apart?
Yeah. They don't have real food anymore. They're making food in laboratories. That's a fact.
No food in lavatory?
They're making food in laboratories.
Making food in lavatories?
Babies are getting sick and
Yeah.
dying earlier than they've ever done before. How are you doing?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Would you be so kind to take few B-rolls like on your phone? You don't have on my mama's phone. Yeah. На мусик. Дай телефон. Телефон дай.
On my mama's phone.
My mama's
Sounds
phone.
like a song that I know.
Yeah. Дай
Here we
телефон.
go,
You know, like quick like photos like that, and then quick like 10 seconds. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, you can. Yeah. Like videos like that and photos like that for thumbnail. Yeah. Oh, sorry. What did you do? What did you play?
I played the knight E5, I think. I
Where?
played the knight here.
Oh.
Son of a gun, you. You take it, huh? Catch you next time, folks. All right, Ron, you take care of yourself, man, buddy. Just chill. Why would you do that? I'm gonna stop the clock and call it illegal move and let you lose right away.
Sorry? What happened?
Stop the clock. I'm gonna call illegal move. Therefore, you lose right away.
Why?
You make an illegal move.
What?
You badgered the game, you lose.
Oh, well, what is the wrong here?
You castled improperly. You badgered the game and you know the game. So therefore, I'm gonna claim the victory. If you want to play again, let's play again. Yeah, I mean, you ain't supposed to do that. Come on, why you playing me? I don't care where she does, man. Now let's play again.
Here. So this one is short.
That's long. Come on.
Oh, that's long.
Tell her to take off with disguise.
She ain't got no disguise. I already claimed a victory. She want to do that to the clock. And look, my clock is still ticking. I didn't do anything wrong. She want to play like that. You lose. I'm not quite sure exactly what you wanted to do. So I'm going to claim that you should forfeit.
Well, if I forfeit, can we play one more?
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, honey.
Don't you play chess too? Oh, she don't? She looks very familiar as well. Oh, you interpreting for it? Your guys are funny. I get the B-roll.
That hat is fantastic, man. I love that hat. Look at that hat.
Oh, thank you. Well, yours is too.
Yeah, but mine's, I gotta get me a new one,
But
man.
you know, you tell her to take off her glasses and hat. Maybe you'll recognize her.
I don't recognize her if she
I
take off her
recognize
clothes,
I see
her
all the
hats
time.
and
Just
glasses.
like this one here, too.
I don't know her. I don't know her.
You think it's not gonna be too diagonal?
I don't think so. I think it's actually a good angle.
Okay.
And we can correct it later.
Oh.
Yo, you know who you remind me of? You know who you remind me of?
Who?
You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. You probably don't even know this woman. This lady name is, damn, what's her name? Audrey.
Audrey? Audrey. Like Audrey Tattoo? Audrey. Audrey.
Hepburn.
Hepburn.
Hepburn, I guess.
Hepburn.
Yeah, she's dynamite. I seen her in this movie one year.
So like that, right?
Yeah, you know how it goes.
Okay. I just don't want you to forfeit again.
No, I didn't forfeit. You forfeited. You know, you badgering me and badgering me. Come on, lady. I like you. You son of a gun, you.
Who?
Who? Son of a gun.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. What's that, Russian?
Yeah.
That's Russian. Let me get out of here. You playing too good, girl.
Thank you. You gave me a compliment. That's sweet of you.
Yeah, yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
G4, B5. G4, G5. I'm scared.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay! You scared me. Wait, was that a legal move too?
That's legal move.
Yeah? No, you can. If you don't like it, you can take it back. No, you're good.
It's your play, lady. You can play.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh man.
Ay, ay, ay. Oof. Time. Ay! Scary!
What you doing over there, lady?
Ah, very scary. How are you? Good? Oh, he's attacking me, Mama! Mama is here. Ah! Scary.
Oh, you son of a gun! You.
Don't swear.
It's amazing how her balls picked up so rapidly.
17 seconds. That's scary.
It was so cute.
Ah. Sorry, sorry.
God damn, man.
Oh no! Mama, no!
Mama!
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 They'll get you.
Ain't no getting out of that one. She's a fantastic player.
Even with the star.
Fantastic.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.